Hello, this video is about hypothesis testing. In the previous videos, we've seen the z-test, t-test, ANOVA, and chi-square. In this video, we're going to be talking about f-test. So f-test is nothing but comparison of variances between two samples. So let's get into a practical example here. So in this case, what we're going to do is we are going to compare. So we have two data sets, heights of different students from one class, class A, let's say, and heights of uh, students from um, class B. So we are going to compare the variances of both the sample, and we are going to see if there is any significant difference. So let's get into the practical. So import F, so F and let's import numpy as well, and class, sorry about that. So here class A has, let's say, 63. So these are inches or in unit. It's just an example. So 67, 68, 65, and we have class B, it's around 42. So well, let me just paste the values here. Yeah, class A, class B. Here's one value. That's okay. Let me just add it. Yeah, so we have equal. So let's calculate variance one, which is using the numpy of, and we are going to pass the argument, which is a sample one, and the degree of freedom, which is 1. So it's basically nothing but n minus 1, which is also called Basel correction. And class B, and again degree of freedom is equals 1. Now we are going to calculate the f stat, which is 1 by 1 2. Stat, let's see that. 0.11, and the p-value is given by f dots cumulative density function of f 1. Yeah, let's just give the degree of freedom as length of class A minus 1, the same goes for degree of freedom 2, B. So we are passing these parameters, and we are going to get the p-value. Again, the p-value is, so we set an alpha value 0.5, and now we are going to compare the state. So right from here, can see that there is a significant difference between class A and class B. So you can obviously see that within the data itself that overall the range is between 60 to 65 or 60 to 70. You, we can say it's in the range of anywhere from 30 to 45 or 50. So we can already see there's a difference, and when we perform this test where we compare the variance and followed by a cumulative density function, we are going to get the p-value, and then we can compare it with the alpha value, and we are going to either reject or accept the null hypothesis. So this is pretty much about the F test here in terms of practical use with Python. So see you in the next video, and thank you.